Are you on the vibrating chair, buddy? Xavier. What you doing, huh? You watching TV? What you doing, huh? Hi. Hi, handsome.
Here's the blueprint for Bubble Puppy's doghouse.
Everybody have your tools?
Hey, look how big I'm getting, everybody. Yeah, I'm growing.
What are we gonna build this doghouse out of? Wood? Mr. Grouper, what should we build the doghouse out of?
Well, we need to make sure that Bubble Puppy's house is sturdy. So we need to use materials that are really strong.
Yay.
Materials are what you use to make things out of.
Let's think about what kind of materials you can build things out of.
Xavier. Hi, honey.
Material. People make houses out of wood all the time.
And chimneys.
Look
made
at.
bricks.
Yeah, but bricks are strong. Well, what about windows?
Yeah. Look at Xavier.
Glass.
That's right. You need
Yay.
I've been outside all day long. I want a cozy place where I can sing this song. A place where I'll reside.
So here I am.
Be inside
Always moving in my legs and my arms.
building. Yeah.
See, I'm a good blanket kicker offer.
Glass for the window.
Running.
Bricks for
Running, baby.
the window.
You're too funny, honey.
You know what to do.
Them legs always go.
Build me a building.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Build me a
Yes, my legs always go. See, I'm not even gonna bother crawling. I'm just gonna start running real soon, huh? Yeah. Ooh, I scared you. Sorry. Say I love you, everybody. Say I love you, everybody. Blow him a kiss. Look at me. Say I love you. Say I miss you guys. How much do you love your brother? How much? Show me. How much?
Hurry up, everybody. It's time to go outside.
Whoa, that's a whole bunch, huh? You take care of them a lot, don't you? You always help me when I gotta make a bottle, huh? You- Sit up straight with food in your mouth, honey. Yeah? And you help rock him and hold his binky in?
SpongeBob. Hey, it's a SpongeBob ball. One day she said, enjoying her favorite snack. Hello,
There it is. I got that for you, huh?
And then the Freddy came.
And now you...
know what time is Audrey coming?
I don't know.
Oh, grandparents.
Xavier! Say bye, everybody. I love you guys. I'm running!
That's unacceptable. I'm going to need something to keep my grandcrackers safe. Maybe you need a building. Did
Them
somebody
feet
say
go non-stop, baby.
were you
Yes, they do.